this tech tip, we're going to go examine the 3D whiteboard, which is under the swimmer role on the 3D Experience platform. Let's jump in and see what this great tool has to offer. So the 3D whiteboard allows you to go through and conceptual ideas by first bringing in some pictures to kind of get the old creative juices flowing, where you can go ahead, size any image to any size you want for a design, label it to whatever you're going to be. In this case, we're going to come up with a new design for this particular product. Then after that, you can go through and then specify different parts of it you want to focus on by highlighting and circling. Also bring in additional images. In this case, we're going to bring in the actual arm that's part of this design. We can duplicate the image, or in this case, we're just going to go with the images there and put it to the back. We're going to focus on the changes for this particular arm. We're going to go through and make this arm lighter for the new design. You can add notes to the whiteboard to list ideas. In this case, we're going to look at changing the material and adding cutouts to reduce the weight of the part. Now I finished laying out my new product design ideas. I can now publish it to the community to share it with my colleagues for their feedback. Thank you very much for tuning into this tech tip.